Are you wondering how to do payroll for S Corp and ensure you're maximizing your tax benefits while staying compliant? Well, you're not alone in facing the complexities of S Corporation payroll management. This video is designed to simplify the process, providing a clear and concise roadmap. Today, we'll learn the essentials of setting up and managing your S Corporation's payroll efficiently. And by the way, if you would like to streamline your payroll and HR processes, then make sure to sign up to Gusto. They're professionals and they'll be able to help you out. For your convenience, I left a link to their website down in the description of this video. And remember, if you use my link, I'll receive a small commission at no extra charge to you, which I'll be very grateful for. And with that in mind, let's get started. If you're running an S Corporation, mastering payroll is essential, not just for compliance, but also to maximize the tax benefits your business structure offers. Many entrepreneurs choose the S Corporation status because it allows them to enjoy the legal protections of a corporation without the burden of double taxation. This means that the income flows through to the shareholders who then report it on their personal tax returns. Another significant advantage is that not all money taken out of the corporation is subject to payroll taxes, which can mean considerable savings. Understanding how to effectively handle payroll for an S corporation can be overwhelming, especially with the legalities and tax rules involved. However, breaking down the process into manageable steps can simplify it considerably. An S corporation is a unique form of business that you create by filing an election with the IRS. When you choose to make your business an S corporation, you're deciding that the business's profits, losses, deductions, and tax credits should pass directly to the shareholders. The shareholders then report these amounts on their personal tax returns and pay tax at their individual rates. This structure prevents the company's income from being taxed twice, once as corporate income and again on shareholders' personal tax returns. It's an attractive option for business owners who want to take advantage of corporate benefits but avoid double taxation. Many business owners prefer this setup because it simplifies the tax process by integrating business and personal tax reporting. To establish an S corporation, you must meet several IRS requirements. First, your business must be based in the United States. Only specific types of shareholders are allowed, including individuals, certain trusts and estates, but not partnerships, other corporations, or non-residents. An S corporation is also limited to having no more than 100 shareholders and must only have one class of stock. Despite these restrictions, this business structure is quite popular, particularly among those moving from being sole proprietors or the sole members of LLCs who are looking to reduce their self-employment taxes. These features make the S corporation a favorable choice for small to medium-sized businesses seeking flexibility in their tax planning. Managing payroll for S corporation shareholders who also work in the business presents its challenges. If you're in this situation, you are required to pay yourself a reasonable salary for the work you do before you can take any additional profits as distributions. A reasonable salary means what other employers pay for similar work under similar conditions. This requirement is crucial because the IRS pays close attention to how much S corporation shareholder-employees are paid, and paying too little can lead to audits, penalties, and back taxes. This rule is in place to ensure that taxes such as Social Security and Medicare are adequately collected. Many S corporation owners find this aspect tricky, especially in determining what counts as a fair wage. To properly set up payroll in an S corporation, you start by determining a reasonable salary for the job you perform within the company. This process usually involves some research, including checking salary ranges for comparable roles within your industry. Websites like the Bureau of Labor Statistics are excellent resources for finding out median salaries for different positions, providing a solid basis for setting your own salary. Once you decide on what's considered a reasonable salary, you then move to the actual payroll calculations, ensuring everything aligns with the industry standards to avoid issues with the IRS. Calculating payroll in an S corporation isn't just about figuring out the salary. It also includes the necessary tax withholdings. These taxes include federal income tax, FICA taxes, which are your Social Security and Medicare contributions, and depending on your state, additional state and unemployment taxes may also apply. The salary determined needs to be divided by the number of pay periods to ascertain the gross pay per period. For instance, if you set an annual salary of $50,000 and choose to distribute it monthly, the gross pay each month would be around $4,100. This breakdown helps in planning cash flow and ensuring each payroll is processed correctly. Once you know the gross amount to be paid each pay period, the next crucial step is accurately withholding the right amount of taxes from each paycheck. Understanding the tax brackets and withholding guidelines, which you can find on the IRS website or through various payroll software systems, is essential for this part of the payroll process. Moreover, it's important to regularly file the right payroll tax forms to stay compliant. For example, IRS Form 941 must be filed quarterly to report the income taxes and FICA taxes that have been withheld from the employee's salary, as well as the employer's share of FICA taxes. Keeping up with these filings not only ensures compliance, but also helps avoid potential penalties for late or incorrect filings. For S corporations with only one employee shareholder, the payroll might be more straightforward. In many cases, you might choose to pay yourself a monthly salary and then a larger sum at year's end as a bonus. This flexibility is one of the benefits of an S corporation, especially for smaller businesses with simpler operations. Beyond handling regular payroll throughout the year, preparing year-end tax documents is a critical part of managing an S corporation. One essential document is Form W-2, which is used to report the wages paid to employees and the taxes that were withheld from those wages throughout the year. Another important form is Form W-3, which is used to send information from the W-2 forms to the Social Security Administration. This form essentially summarizes all the W-2s issued by the company. Additionally, S corporations need to complete Form 1120-S, which is the tax return specifically for S corporations. This form details the corporation's financial activities and tax obligations for the year. Each shareholder in the S corporation also receives a Schedule K-1 form. This form reports each shareholder's share of the corporation's income, losses, deductions, and credits. It's important for shareholders because it tells them what they need to report on their personal tax returns. Handling these forms correctly ensures that both the corporations and its shareholders meet their tax responsibilities and avoid potential penalties for incorrect or late filings. In conclusion, efficient payroll management is key to leveraging the full benefits of an S corporation structure. By understanding the complexities of reasonable salaries, tax filings, and compliance, you can protect your business from penalties and optimize your tax situation. Remember, thorough record keeping and regular financial reviews are crucial for smooth operations. Implementing these practices will not only keep your S Corp in good standing, but also enhance your financial management. So, are you ready to streamline your S Corp payroll? Then try Gusto today for hassle-free payroll solutions tailored to your business needs. Sign up by using my affiliate link down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me support the channel. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.